Okay, thank you. That's an honor.
Okay, so why Rotterdam is the excellent city to work on this issue? Well, first of all, we're a city that emits more CO2 per square meter actually than any other city in the world. So we have the big challenge here because it's not only about CO2, but it's also about air pollution, about noise, and about biodiversity losses. So we need to work on this issue very, very intensively. But also, we're not only having these problems, we're also experiencing the influence of climate change, because we see now sea level rises, we have heavier rainfall more often, so we have floodings in the street. So we need to work on these issues, and that's basically what we try to do. So what we've done is we set a very ambitious target for the city, and this target is something that we're going to meet. It's not like an imaginary goal or something, it's really something that we're working on, and that's on reducing our CO2 and also work on the other environmental issues around it. And in order to achieve that, we have basically two things that we do. We've set up a very close and intensive working group with the business community, with environmental agencies and the Port of Rotterdam to make sure that together we do all kinds of projects to reduce CO2. And that's from carbon capture and storage, exchanging heat, to using biofuels and biomass, work on energy conservation in houses, electric vehicles, all kinds of things. And the other thing that we're doing is it's not only sitting together and working on these projects, but we've said that the way we want to work with this is that we do projects and do things that actually help our economy grow. So a bit like what the Unilever representative was saying, we're looking at how we can grow the economy, especially also out of the economic crisis that we're facing today, by becoming an economy that is not based on fossil fuels but based on renewables and sustainable issues and so on. And that's something that we are very, very happy to work on, and so far we've done pretty good, but we still need a long way. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.